Can I just say something to you?
Yeah.
I have done a complete programme about fire safety. When fire takes hold, it goes very fast indeed.
I've been a consumer 25.
What flaming hell?
I know how to put out a fire. I've done a whole program on fire
No,
prevention.
she's absolutely
That
right.
was funny.
Well, I'm glad it's funny now.
It was funny then, and it's, I mean, that was, honestly, it was funny. I mean,
Esther, you look pretty shaken up.
It's the biggest single danger we face here. I have done items about deaths of children.
Yeah.
There was a wonderful little girl who went back
We should
into,
have evacuated the
into
children.
flames.
You're right.
Dear God.
We shouldn't mock Esther because she's absolutely right.
We're not.
No,
No, she's visibly a bit
she
shaken.
took quick action, and I admire her for it. Thank you.
She was just hysterical. I mean, hysterical, funny, and hysterical. She in that. Oh my God! Oh my God!
That's where I was stamping out the sparks.
Okay, so just move these guys.
Look, Martina, I've no doubt you could have done it better. Particularly from there, where you could see it even more clearly.
It's not better.
I did not like the laughter. I did not like the lack of assistance. I'm going to tell you something. If you were doing anything that you thought was really important for people's safety, I hope that I wouldn't laugh. That's all I'm saying about it. Situation closed.
Okay, fair enough. It's how you were. We thought you were overreacting to the situation.
I know you thought that.
Maybe you don't think you were.
Maybe
we think you were.
Yes.
Well, there was no harm done. No one's hurt themselves, so
That's all right. It's all right.
we live another day, don't we?
That's it.
But there we are. So that's life, eh?
You're right. You are right. That's life.